You know that feeling. Stepping onto a freezing cold floor first thing in the morning. Ugh.
Oh, yeah, the worst.
Well, imagine if your floors were, always comfortably warm, especially, here in places like South Vancouver where winters can be pretty chilly.
Definitely.
Today, we're doing a deep dive into something called hydronic radiant floor heating. It sounds fancy, but it's actually a really smart way to heat your home.
It really is.
And this is for you, our listener. We're digging into info from the Pacific Blue Mechanical website, our mission, to figure out why this system is so good, especially for homes around here. Okay, let's unpack this. What exactly is hydronic radiant heating? Can you break that down simply for us?
Sure. What's fascinating here is, hydronic just means water. So basically we're talking about warm water.
Okay, water.
Yeah, warm water flowing through these special durable plastic pipes, PEX pipes usually, that are hidden right under your floor.
Hidden pipes, got it.
Right. So instead of blowing hot air around, your whole floor becomes like a giant, gentle, warm radiator.
Oh.
And that warmth rises up really evenly, heating you and the furniture, not just the air. So, no more cold spots by the window.
That sounds way better than vents, especially for, like you said, South Vancouver cold.
Exactly. It makes a huge difference in comfort during those damp, chilly months we get.
Right. And here's where it gets really interesting for you listening. The benefits. It's not just about warm toes, is it?
Not at all.
Let's talk money first. How does heating with water under the floor actually save you money on bills?
Well, it comes down to efficiency. Water is just, much better at holding and moving heat compared to air.
Okay, that makes sense.
So the system doesn't need to run as constantly or work as hard to keep your place warm. The floor itself and everything in the room kind of soak up that heat.
Like a thermal battery.
Sort of, yeah. It creates this thermal mass. So your home stays comfortable longer, even when the boiler isn't firing. Less energy use means, lower heating bills. It's a smart choice for your wallet.
Lower bills are always good. Now, what about the air inside? You mentioned no blowing air. Does that mean it's, healthier?
Yeah, that's a really important point. Think about regular furnaces. They blow air through ducts, right?
Right, and dust comes out sometimes.
Exactly. They can circulate dust, pet dander, allergens.
Yeah.
All that stuff. Radiant heat doesn't do that. It's just gentle warmth radiating upwards.
So no air movement stirring things up.
Precisely, which means cleaner air. It's a huge plus, especially if you or someone in your family has allergies or asthma. Big difference in air quality.
Wow. So it's comfortable, saves money, and gives you cleaner air. Plus, I imagine it's quiet too. No noisy furnace kicking on and off.
Oh, it's virtually silent. You just get this consistent, even warmth. No clanking vents, no whoosh of air, just comfort.
Okay, that sounds pretty amazing. And I heard it can even increase your home's value. Is that right?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Buyers these days really value comfort and efficiency. A system like this is seen as a premium feature.
Ah.
Yeah, it signals a well-maintained, comfortable home with lower running costs. And it works with lots of different floor types, too. Tile, wood, even some carpet, so it adds definite appeal.
So let's tie this back home, specifically for our listeners maybe in South Vancouver or, nearby areas mentioned on the website like White Rock, Langley, Richmond, Surrey. How important is getting it installed by someone local?
Oh, it's crucial. If we connect this to the bigger picture, local expertise is paramount.
Why is that?
Because our Pacific Northwest climate has specific challenges, right? The dampness, the type of ground, local building codes.
Right. It's not the same everywhere.
Exactly. A local expert, like the folks at Pacific Blue Mechanical, understand all that. They know how to design and install the system so it works best for your specific house and our specific weather. It's about making sure you get the most out of it.
Makes sense. You want it done right for the conditions here.
Definitely. To maximize that efficiency and make sure it lasts.
Okay. So what does this all mean for you listening right now?
Well, it means you're looking at fantastic comfort, genuinely healthier air inside your home, real savings on your energy bills, and potentially a nice bump in your home's value.
It is a lot of boxes.
It really does.
So if this sounds like something you want to explore further, check out the Pacific Blue Mechanical website. They've got more details on this whole heating solution.
Yeah, worth a look.
And here's something to think about. We've talked about warming your feet, making your home healthier, quieter, more valuable, all by rethinking heating from the ground up, literally. What other everyday problems could we solve if we just, looked at them from a completely different angle, maybe starting from the foundation?